Okay, so this is just a brief addendum to my previous video, which is still uploading as it happens, in that the NYPD says that there were no collisions, no injuries, and no arrests in the alleged chase. Now, I emphasize the word alleged because many people may not realize that that is code for we don't yet believe it, or it's not yet proven. And they say that the BBC, they say that they've received a statement from NYPD to say that they've assisted the private security team protecting Harry and Meghan, and that there were numerous photographers that made their transport challenging. Note that they don't say that it was a 2-hour furious chase. The Duke and Duchess arrived at the destination. There were no reported collisions, summonses, injuries, or arrests in regard to the journey, that is. And furthermore, the mayor of New York City, Eric Adams, goes on to make quite a damning statement to say that he'd find it hard to believe that it was a 2-hour high-speed chase, but he would find out. He would make inquiries. And indeed goes on to say that if the chase was 10 minutes long, it would have been extremely dangerous in New York City because they have a lot of traffic, a lot of movement, a lot of people using the streets. Any type of high-speed chase that involves something of that nature is inappropriate. Of course it is. That's what I said in my previous video. And added that police do that, as in police carry out high-speed chases, under limited circumstances, usually when they are chasing someone in highly dangerous or horrific crimes. But to do it because you would get the right shot, as in photographic shot, can turn out to be a place where people could be harmed in a real way. So it would seem to me that the current news report, because this is being updated minute by minute, hence the addendum, that New York City Police Department don't quite accept that this was a chase at all, let alone a 2-hour chase. I think my gut feeling seems that is implausible. We've all seen action movies where these kind of car chase scenes last for 30 seconds and half the city is destroyed. 2 hours is an exceptionally long time. And I just don't buy it that this was a 2-hour car chase. It's like when people talk about people fighting for 10 or 15 minutes. It's just not realistic. Anyone that's done any martial arts training or being involved in any kind of fight or any kind of skirmish, even for 30 seconds, realizes that that is a long time. So 10 minutes is just not reasonable. Just like a car chase for 2 hours is just not reasonable. I will wait to see what further news updates provide, but I suspect that this will fizzle out and no further information will come forward. Hence, I posed the question in my last thumbnail whether this was a staged event. But leave me your thoughts and comments in the box below, and I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.